Hi, this is Ribon Hossain Chapel from WP Themart, and today we'll learn about what is WordPress plugins and why do we need that. So in our previous episode we have discussed about how we can make this header, this footer, but it's not dynamic at all. If someone install our WordPress theme, he will not get any kind of things to change this text or this kind of things here, and he can't change any kind of things. So we'll let the user to change these options from our WordPress dashboard here. So we'll make a tab, a menu, new menu here, and from on that they can change this header part, they can change this footer part, they can change this area, all of the stuff that can be maintained from our backend here. So we need to make that. So for that we need to install some plugins, we need to customize some plugins. On that part we need to know how to install a plugin and how to use that. So for that we will install a plugin in our live sites, so I can show you what a plugin can does. So in here in my live site you can see there is nothing, only a theme is activated here, only a theme is activated, nothing more. So if we go on plugins sections here, then we will not find anything. So a plugin, it will help you to add more functionality to your WordPress website, like adding a contact form or making some product or having some service sections or some better footer area. So these plugins can help you on that. So in here you can see any kind of things that is really important for our WordPress, for our website visitor. So we will make a contact form for our website visitor here. So for that we need to install some contact based plugin that is already been made by some authors, by some developers. So we'll go on here plugins and click on add new plugin. So here you can see already a bunch of plugin that is been shown here, and you can see here some popular plugin, and you can see here the Elementor, the contact form 7. So this is all popular plugin. You can have some recommended plugin that is recommended by WordPress. So we'll go on popular and we'll check one that how this kind of things work. So we want to click on here this contact form 7. So this contact form 7 will add a contact form to your WordPress website. So for using this we need to click on install now, and it will not get started to get work until we click on activated. So it has been completely activated and a new menu has come here, that is contact forms. So it will not work until we insert this code into any kind of page or any kind of post. So it will not showing anything here. So it will not add any kind of thing. So a contact form that is already pre-made here. So here is a short code, and this short code will allow us to show the content to our website visitor. So we'll copy this short code, and inside the page we'll add a new page, and we'll give a name contact form, and in here we'll search some short code that can show our content to our website. So we'll press Ctrl V, that is paste. So we'll click on publish now, and we can view our page. So here you can see a contact form has been made for our WordPress visitors. Okay, so it can be maintained from here. If we click on edit here, you can see here your name, as here your name. So if we change your name, so if we write here like write your name and click on save and give a refresh here, you can see write your name, it has been successfully changed. So by plugins we can change this kind of things, like this input field, we can change that also. So if we want to remove this, so we will just delete this here and give a save and give a refresh. So the first name that is gone. So in here we'll make some options for our user also, like some the theme name is TechBiz, so we'll give some TechBiz options, and from that TechBiz options users will be able to change this text, and this footer area, and this menus area and this search form. So they will able to change the content that he wants, like we did here. Okay, like we did here in with the contact form plugins. So there is a that is called the customization things here for the website that we are developing here for our WordPress users, as we are developing this theme. So this theme will have some options to change all the things. So for that we need to install more and more plugins to make it work perfectly. So in our next episode, we will discuss about how we can install that plugin and how a user can get the suggestions of the plugins that we need here.